we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so today we're pitting two super-automatic espresso machines against each other. The DeLonghi Eletta, specifically the ECAM 44660B model, right?
Exactly. And going head-to-head with it is the Philips Series 3300, model EP3300 41/50ths. I'm really curious to see which one comes out on top for the home barista.
Let's dive in. First impressions. The DeLonghi boasts a one-touch latte crema system, so barista-quality cappuccinos with a single touch sounds pretty slick.
The Philips counters with its LatteGo milk system. It claims to create silky smooth froth, even with plant-based milk. Plus, it's only 2 parts and dishwasher safe. Easy cleaning is a huge win. Definitely a key consideration.
The DeLonghi can brew 2 cups simultaneously. That's perfect for couples or when you're entertaining.
The Philips ups the ante with 6 drink options: espresso, regular coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and some Joan-praised coffee. That's a big deal, especially heading into summer. Plus, Philips has that Home ID app integration. Apparently, you can learn all the machine's ins and outs and discover new recipes.
Nice touch. The DeLonghi has a built-in grinder with 13 adjustable settings. That's a lot of control over your grind size and, ultimately, the flavor of your espresso.
The Philips uses a ceramic grinder, and they're touting its silent brew technology. They claim it's 40% quieter, which is a huge plus if you're making coffee early in the morning.
Quieter is always good. This DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling and rinsing, essential for longevity.
The Philips uses an AquaClean filter. The big claim is that you won't need to descale for up to 5,000 cups. That's a massive time saver. Wow, 5,000 cups. That's incredible. So less maintenance overall with the Philips.
The DeLonghi is a bit bulkier, with dimensions around 14 by 10 by 18 inches, something to keep in mind if you're tight on counter space. And it weighs about 24 pounds.
The Philips is noticeably lighter at just over 17 pounds and a bit smaller, around 9 by 17 by 14 inches. Price-wise, the Philips Series 3300 is around $800. The DeLonghi Eletta, well, it's a renewed product and currently unavailable, so it's hard to say on price comparison.
The DeLonghi features a double boiler system, which should help with temperature stability and faster brewing.
Okay, so boiling it down. The Philips offers iced coffee, quieter operation, and potentially less descaling. The DeLonghi, when available, offers a double boiler and more precise grind control.
Yeah, it's a tough call. It really depends on your priorities and what you're looking for in your daily coffee ritual. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.